Hello students, again I am in front of you to explain you the rest of the part of chapter food. So today we will study about firstly the complete food. Okay, so complete food का मतलब पूरा खाना. ठीक है, पूरा खाना क्या होगा? Is there any food which is complete in all the nutrients? Yes, because see, one kind of food never it contains all the nutrients, but milk is there which is known as complete food because it contains almost all the nutrients. Have you seen some small baby? Seen the picture? He is drinking only milk because milk is completing or fulfilling the requirement of all the nutrients in his body. Okay, next we will study about how we have to prepare the foods and why we need it. See, some fruits like apple, orange you are eating as raw, right? But when you are eating them, firstly you wash them, then you eat them. But the vegetables, you used to cook them and then you eat. Okay, so we should wash each and every fruit and vegetable before use, because if there is any dust, if there is any germ sticking to them, they will remove away. Many kinds of food, they can be eaten only after cooking. There are various methods of cooking. First is boiling, where you can take the example of potato and rice. You have seen your mothers doing this. Roasting peanuts and brinjal, we just roast them in a pan and then they are ready to eat. Then third is frying. You can fry pakoda, samosa, puris. Baking, cakes, pastry, biscuits are been baked in the oven, as you can see in the picture. Steaming, idlis, where you cook your food in the steam. Okay, so now what happens when we cook the food? Cooking makes the food soft, tasty, easily digestible, and food becomes free of germs. Okay, but we should take care of these things, that food should not lose its nutrients due to our cooking. So for that, some cooking tips are there. So first is, whenever you are using any vegetable or fruit, before cutting them you should wash them so that its minerals and vitamins are preserved. When you boil the pulses or when you soak the pulses overnight, like rajma has been soaked, chane they are soaked, so we throw away that water, but we should not throw away that water because that water contains vitamins. And then third is, some people, what they used to do, they cook rice in the excess water, and that excess water they used to throw away. But all the nutrients of rice, they are included in the rice. So what we should do, we should cook the rice in enough of water so that nutrients have been preserved. Now fourth is, when food is overcooked, vitamins are destroyed. So that's why what we should do, we should not overcook the food, because too much roasting or frying, it destroys the nutrients. Okay, then next we will study about, see, if we have cooked the food properly, but sometimes when you go outside, you eat that packet chips, you take milk powder with you, you take packed rasgullas with you, packed fruity with you. So what are all these? These are also food, but which type of food? These are the preserved food. Preserved, what does it mean? Preserved means, like, if you have kept the food safe, that means आपने फूड को सेफ रखा हुआ है, वो ख़राब नहीं हुआ है, वो स्पॉइल नहीं हुआ है, और उसमें जर्म्स नहीं है. ठीक है, उसमें कोई स्मेल नहीं आ रही है, दैट मीन्स वो फूड आपका सेफ है. ठीक है, जब आप फूड को सेव करने के लिए उसके मेथड्स अप्लाई करते हो डिफरेंट, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड प्रिजर्वेशन. व्हेन वी कीप फूड सेफ फ्रॉम डिके और फ्रॉम गोइंग स्टेल, इट इज़ कॉल्ड preservation, and the chemicals used for doing this are called preservatives. Okay, in picture you can see jam, pickles, they all are preserved. Okay, different methods are there, like canning, bottling, sweetening, salting, dehydration, freezing. So what does these all mean? Like you can see jam. Jam is sweet, so that means sweetening process of preservation is followed, because sugar, it preserves the food. Then pickles, they are salty, so salt preserves them. Okay, then next you can say canning. Okay, canning and bottling, they are the process in which airtight bottles are used. Airtight means in which air cannot pass through them, like tomato sauce, orange squash, lemon squash, they all are kept in canning or cans or bottles. Next is dehydration. Now what is dehydration? You have seen milk powder, it is dry because when you add water in that, it becomes milk. But why it is dry? It is dried by the dehydration method. It's all water is removed and then it is sealed in tins or packets. Okay, like your potato chips, they are also dehydrated in the same way. Now freezing meat, fish. Have you seen your mother storing tomato, peas in the freezer for later on? So that is the process of freezing, when you can put the things in freezer and they can be preserved for the future use. Okay, milk. If you want to store the milk for short time, have you seen कि आपकी मम्मा क्या करती हैं? जब वो दूध लेके आती हैं तो सबसे पहले उसको बॉयल करती है. वाई दे यूज टू बॉयल, आप पूछोगे तो वो कहेंगे कि इससे ना ये ख़राब नहीं होगा. ठीक है, ख़राब नहीं होगा मीन्स कि when you are using the boiling method of preservation for some time, milk can be preserved. Okay, so these all things we have to study in the chapter 1. Okay, thank you, bache.